Want something fun to do on a weekend for PD? Totally come to EdTech Camp. You'll learn something new in the digital world.
I don't usually choose my weekends to go to these things, but I signed up in June because I was super excited to be here.
When we walked into the cafeteria to hear the keynote, you knew that you were in a place where everybody was there for the same reason.
I looked at all the sessions I wanted to attend, probably 10 of them.
So today's been awesome so far. I love professional learning opportunities that you walk out of the room feeling, wow, I've just learned something.
One part I love about EdTech Camp is the wide variety of sessions that you can attend.
If you want to build a better future for your students and empower their learning, come to EdTech Camp.